What's going on, YouTube? Back again with another video. Got the cat right there, man. We finna roll out to a little morning meet. Bright and early. It's like 9. I think it's like 9, almost 9. See the stars in the back. But yeah, we finna roll out to a morning meet, get some gas. Yeah, I think he need gas, and then we're gonna be on our way. But other than that, I'm gonna see y'all pick up the camera when we start rolling out or something like that. All right. Finna get some gas. Know what I'm saying? It's a must. And we gonna see how much it costs. This black ass nigga. Huh? What's going on? That's what you gotta do? Oh, that's crazy. Hey, nah, a dude did that. He's behind his grill. Dang, that's crazy. A dude did this, and he was behind the register. He said, this is how you get them to pay for groceries. Oh, this is okay, nigga. All right, nigga. No diddy, nigga. I don't matter. You showing me, nigga. It don't matter. Look at this nigga. Cast out.
Hellcat activities, baby. You know how we do.
You know how we do it. Come on, man. We outside. Finna head out. SRT'd up. Cast washed. SRT washed. We finna get active. Bright and early. Finna pull up to the meet right now. It's supposed to start at 9. It's 9:19. Oh, so it started like almost 20 minutes ago. Gonna see how many cars up here so far. But we catted up. We SRT'd up. Cat in the front, cat in the back. Oh, they already pulling up. Man, see, that's the thing. I don't really be liking them, like, just the V6's noise, you know what I mean? I don't be liking that. Oh, it's a good turnout so far. So far it is. Oh, that's the American rap. I ain't seen him in a minute. A lot of people I ain't seen in a minute. I don't know where this is going, bro. But yeah, so we trying to find parking right now. Man, it's already getting hot, man. Y'all comment down below where y'all from. I'm trying to see how the weather is where y'all at. If it's hot or is it cold or what? Let me know. This man just did a whole circle. I'm dead. But yeah, so there's some stuff out here for sure. Go see what's crack-a-lacking. We made it, y'all. I had a little struggle parking the whip. A little struggle. What's going on? Long time no see.
I thought you had the white one.
Huh? I do. I got both.
What the heck?
So yeah, it's going. How you been?
I've been good.
I didn't see you in a minute. I see you call. I was like, oh man, I ain't seen him. This first time I seen the wheels too.
Oh, you like them?
Yeah. Dang, the Ferratas.
Yeah. Those are Ferrata CM1 silvers. They come in black and they come in bronze also. Or
They look good. They look really good.
I'm a fan of them.
Yeah. You got the lug nuts too. I like the lug nuts. Looks good, man.
Thank you. I appreciate
Came,
that.
yeah, man. Came.
right, come on. All right, come on. Listening.
That shit. That's Stella Rose, man. Oh, we got headers.
Yeah. Headers. I mean, that motherfucker when that start up, man. I want to hear that shit. When you pulled up to the on Saturday.
Loud as hell, huh?
Loud as hell.
What's that yellow shit?
It's so standard phone.
So,
Standard
yeah, see.
phone.
Nah, you talking about fast now. This motherfucker. Woo! Hey, this shouldn't even be legal at this point. Like, this motherfucker.
And he ain't done.
He ain't done. He said he's still on the first map.
Yeah. And it goes to 5, right? He said 5. Yeah.
Something like
5
that.
maps. He's waiting for that computer though.
Crazy as hell.
He said that was 10 G's though.
Crazy.
Why you talking so loud? For the tuner.
GTR. That's the issue, man.